luxury cars were never meant to last. At least that's what the industry taught us. These machines once stood as symbols of success, power, prestige, engineering at its peak. Showrooms celebrated them. Buyers admired them. And then, the warranty ended. Costs exploded. Complexity aged badly. Reputations crumbled. Few realized it at the time, but most luxury cars weren't built for the second chapter of their lives. And yet, some survived. Hidden beneath depreciation and forgotten headlines are luxury cars that refuse to fall apart. Engines that stayed calm. Platforms that aged with dignity. Vehicles that quietly became smarter buys after everyone else walked away. This isn't a list about hype. It's about survival. Because once you see which luxury cars actually thrive out of warranty, you'll understand where the real savings and the real engineering still live. Number 10. Audi A6 3.0 T Supercharged V6. A luxury sedan celebrated for innovation, yet quietly punished by the very technology that made it famous. But the story isn't that simple. When the A6 surged into the spotlight, Audi was rewriting expectations. Clean design, quattro confidence, and that supercharged V6 delivered smooth, effortless power that felt ahead of its time. Owners felt like they were driving the future, but then reality set in. Complexity scared buyers once the warranty expired. Electronics aged. Lesser engines struggled. Few realized it at the time, but one version stood apart from the rest. The 3.0 TV6 proved durable, under-stressed, and surprisingly forgiving. With proper maintenance, it outlasted rivals and delivered real luxury without catastrophic bills. Today, depreciation has done the damage for you. Recommended model year, 2014 Audi A6 3.0T, often praised for peak reliability and refinement before added complexity. And yet, the next car on this list comes from a brand once known for driving joy, before it lost its way. Number 9. BMW 5 Series, naturally aspirated inline 6. A sports sedan once worshipped as the ultimate driving machine, then slowly buried under its own ambition. But not all versions deserve that fate. When the 5 Series ruled the late 1990s and early 2000s, BMW felt untouchable. Perfect balance. Steering that spoke. Engines that loved to work. The E39 especially became a benchmark. Executives drove them. Enthusiasts admired them. BMW had dominance. But then, things changed. Turbocharging arrived. Complexity exploded. Reliability stories soured. Few realized it at the time, but the older naturally aspirated six-cylinder models were different. Simpler, stronger, more honest. Those engines aged gracefully. With maintenance, they stayed smooth, predictable, and deeply rewarding. Depreciation hit hard, but durability remained. Recommended model year, 2002 BMW 530i E39, widely respected for peak balance of reliability and driving purity. And yet, the next car on this list didn't come from Germany at all. It came from a brand people underestimated for years. Number 8. Jaguar XF 3.0-liter supercharged V6. A luxury sedan wrapped in elegance, burdened by a reputation it didn't fully earn. And that contradiction defines its story. For years, Jaguar symbolized beauty and performance. Then, reliability jokes took over. Buyers hesitated. Sales slipped. Few realized it at the time, but something important had changed under the hood. The 3.0 supercharged V6 marked a turning point. Strong, smooth, surprisingly durable. Jaguar refined its engineering quietly, without fanfare. The XF delivered comfort and character without constant repairs, especially when compared to its German rivals of the same era. But then, the damage was already done. Public trust had faded. Depreciation hit hard. The XF became overlooked, almost forgotten. And yet, that's exactly why it shines today. You get style, performance, and luxury for a fraction of the original price. The flaws didn't vanish, but the value exploded. Recommended model year, 2016 Jaguar XF 3.0, often cited as the most dependable and refined version. And the next car on this list didn't rely on charm at all. It relied on something far more powerful: predictability. Number 7. Lexus ES 350 3.5 liters V6. A luxury sedan that mastered reliability and paid the price by being ignored. For years, the ES 350 quietly dominated sales. Smooth rides, silent cabins, an engine that never asked for drama. It was everything luxury buyers said they wanted. And yet, it never got respect. Too soft, too calm, too sensible. Few realized it at the time, but that was the brilliance. Underneath the conservative design lived one of the most dependable V6 engines ever put into a luxury car. No turbos to fail. No experimental tech. Just proven engineering refined to near perfection. But then, tastes shifted. SUVs took over. Sportiness became a selling point. The ES faded into the background, labeled boring and forgettable. And yet, owners kept them. Year after year, mileage climbed. Repair bills stayed low. The ES didn't chase excitement. It outlasted it. Recommended model year, 2013 Lexus ES 350, often praised for peak reliability and minimal long-term ownership costs. And the next car on this list didn't fade quietly. It carried performance in its DNA and durability to match. Number 6. Porsche Cayenne 3.6 liters V6. A performance SUV born from controversy. That quietly proved everyone wrong. When Porsche revealed the Cayenne, purists were furious. An SUV wearing a Porsche badge felt like betrayal. Critics laughed, enthusiasts scoffed. Few realized it at the time, but this single model would save the brand. The early Cayenne wasn't just fast, it was overbuilt, especially in V6 and diesel form. Strong drivetrains, solid chassis, components designed to handle far more stress than daily driving ever demanded. It shared DNA with the Volkswagen Touareg, but Porsche tuned it with discipline. But then, complexity crept in. V8s became costly, air suspensions aged, the reputation suffered, and yet, the simpler versions endured. Today, these Cayennes offer real Porsche engineering at a fraction of their original price. Reliable, capable, still confident. Recommended model year, 2012 Porsche Cayenne, 5.6, often cited for improved reliability without excessive complexity. But the next car on this list didn't surprise the world. It quietly perfected balance and was ignored for it. Number 5. Lexus GS 350 3.5 liters V6. A luxury sports sedan that did almost everything right and disappeared because of it. The GS 350 arrived as Lexus's quiet answer to the Germans. Rear-wheel drive, balanced handling, a naturally aspirated V6 built to last, not impress spec sheets. It wasn't flashy. It didn't shout, and yet, it delivered exactly what it promised. Few realized it at the time, but this was Lexus threading the needle. Sporty enough to enjoy, comfortable enough to live with, reliable enough to forget the warranty ever existed. While rivals chased turbos and tech, the GS stayed disciplined. But then, the market turned. SUVs took over. Sedans lost relevance. The GS faded away not because it failed, but because trends moved on. And yet, owners still swear by it. Smooth power, solid drivetrains, minimal surprises, a car that ages with dignity. Recommended model year: 2015 Lexus GS 350, widely praised for peak refinement and long-term reliability. But the next car on this list comes from a brand once obsessed with longevity, before things started to change. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz E-Class, 3.5 liters V6. A luxury icon that once defined success, then nearly collapsed under its own innovation. For decades, the E-Class was the standard. Solid doors, timeless design, engineering that felt deliberate. Executives trusted it, taxi drivers abused it, and it kept going. Mercedes was building cars to last. But then, ambition went too far. Early 2000s tech arrived fast. Air suspensions failed. Electronics misbehaved. Reputation took a hit. Few realized it at the time, but not all E-Classes deserve the blame. The V6-powered W211 and later W212 quietly redeemed the name. Strong drivetrains, improved electronics, comfort without constant fear. These versions aged far better than history remembers. Today, depreciation hides their true value. Well-maintained examples deliver classic Mercedes comfort with surprising durability. Recommended model year: 2013 Mercedes-Benz E350 W212, often praised for reliability after early issues were resolved. But the next car on this list didn't recover its reputation. It never lost it in the first place. Number 3. Lexus RX 350 3.5 liters V6. A luxury SUV that conquered the world by refusing to take risks, and that restraint became its greatest strength. When the RX first dominated driveways, it didn't feel bold. No rugged posturing, no wild performance claims. Just comfort, calm, and trust. Families embraced it. Lexus sales exploded. The RX became the face of luxury reliability. But then, success bred complacency. Critics called it boring, too safe, too predictable. Few realized it at the time, but that predictability was exactly why it survived where others didn't. The naturally aspirated V6 proved nearly unbreakable. The hybrid versions aged even better, reducing wear instead of adding stress. While rivals struggled with turbo failures and electronics, the RX kept moving forward, quietly. Today, out of warranty, it's one of the safest luxury buys on the market. Smooth, durable, proven, recommended model year: 2014 Lexus RX 350, widely praised for peak reliability before added complexity. But the next car didn't just age well. It was engineered to outlive everything around it. Number 2. Lexus LS 430, 4.3 liters V8. A flagship luxury car built to outclass everything, then quietly abandoned by a world chasing technology. When the LS 430 arrived, Lexus wasn't competing, it was redefining expectations. The V8 was silk. The cabin felt sealed from reality. Every switch moved with purpose. Few realized it at the time, but this was luxury engineered with restraint, not excess. The LS 430 became legendary for one simple reason: it refused to break. Engines were understressed, electronics were mature, owners drove them for decades, not lease cycles. But then, progress arrived. The LS 460 followed with more power, more tech, and more complexity. Some of that magic faded, repairs grew costlier. The philosophy shifted, and yet, the early LS models remain untouched by time, quietly running. quietly flawless. Proof that perfection doesn't need updates. Recommended model year, 2005 Lexus LS 430. Widely regarded as the most reliable flagship Lexus ever built. And the final car on this list? It wasn't just reliable, it was built to survive the world. Number 1. Lexus GX 460, 4.6 liters V8. A luxury SUV born from excess, yet engineered for endurance few modern vehicles can match. At first glance, the GX and LX felt out of step with the times. Heavy, thirsty, old school. Critics called them inefficient relics, but few realized it at the time. That was the point. Beneath the leather and wood lived something rare. A body-on-frame chassis, naturally aspirated V8 power, mechanical systems designed for punishment, not praise. These weren't built for leases or trends, they were built for decades. But then, the market changed. Crossovers took over. Efficiency ruled headlines. The GX and LX were dismissed as outdated. And yet, owners never let them go. Mileage climbed past 300,000. Repairs stayed predictable. Failures stayed rare. Out of warranty, they became legends. Recommended model year, 2016 Lexus GX 460. Often cited for peak reliability before added electronics. This is the kind of luxury you don't replace. You pass it down.